documents I'll take your lordships from. 8. The petitioner/SIC submitted the requisite documents to the ECP for joining of the independents in compliance of the Rule 92(6) Election Rules 2017. The Constitution requires that you join a political party within 3 days. Then Rule 92 requires that you submit these consent affidavits with the ECP when they have joined, which is the requirement of Rule 92, Sub-Rule 6. 9. The ECP through notifications dated 22/2/2024 as well as dated 25/4/2024 has recognized the joining independents as general seats of the petitioner/SIC and recognized petitioner/SIC as a parliamentary political party. I have taken your lordships through this notification. 10. The petitioner/SIC applied on 21/2/2024 to the ECP for the allocation of reserved seats and the permission to file priority list of candidates. There is no dispute about the fact that SIC neither contested the elections, and since it did not contest the elections, it did not submit the list of candidates within the election schedule which was issued by the ECP. Next page.
Can you repeat that?
It is not a disputed fact that the petitioner SIC neither contested the elections, and since it did not contest the elections, when I mean not contest on a party platform, they may have contested independently. Therefore, they did not submit the list of candidates for reserved seats within the schedule of the ECP. There is no dispute about that. I'll come to the...
Why are you using the word "there is no dispute"? Why don't you just make a statement? They did not contest, full stop?
Yes.
When dispute, who's dispute?
No. They did not. I make that statement. 11. When, this is important, sir. 11. When the petitioner applied for reserved seats, other people, other political parties like PMLN, People's Party Parliamentarian, and ये गलत लिखा हुआ है दोबारा PMLN, this is PML, MQM, etc., and individuals and individual candidates also applied to the ECP for the allocation of the additional seats जो SIC ने अप्लाई की थी, to be allocated to them. ना सिर्फ उन्होंने ये प्रेयर की, बल्कि they also made a prayer that जो independents जिन्होंने petitioner को join किया है, उनको recall करवाया जाए. They have joined wrongly. And also to recall independents having joined the petitioner/SIC. 12. ECP through order dated 1/3/2024 dismissed the application of the petitioner/SIC for the reserved seats mainly on the ground that it was not entitled to the reserved seats because it did not contest the elections and did not submit the priority list of candidates within the election schedule. These are the two principal reasons which are given. The ECP, through the same order dated 1/3/2024, this is by a majority of 4-1, one dissented, allowed the additional allocation of reserved seats to other political parties other than SIC on the ground that these seats cannot be left vacant. 13. The Peshawar High Court, through judgment dated 25/3/2024, upheld the majority judgment of the ECP dated 1/3/2024 in the reserved seats issue. So these are the relevant facts. Now I come to the questions which I framed.
Are the documents there which are mentioned in these facts?
Yes, all the documents, and some I have filed through additional. मैं सवाल पढ़ लूं और फिर मैं
Number 2 पे है nomination papers.
मैं एक सवाल पढ़ लूं सर, फिर मैं उसका जवाब दे देता हूं.
एक फैसल यहाँ पर ये 11 जो आपने फैक्ट कहा है, इसकी लास्ट लाइन
जी
आपने नहीं बताया कि इसका क्या.
सर मैं अभी सर पे आ रहा हूं. मैं 1 मिनट सवाल पढ़ लूं, फिर जो मैंने आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स कल नहीं दिखाए थे वो मैं सब दिखा दूंगा.
इसका बताया नहीं ना, रिकॉल इंडिपेंडेंट हैविंग जॉइंड.
तो कोई ऑर्डर इसीलिए तो नहीं किया है ना.
नहीं, ऑर्डर नहीं है, लेकिन प्रेयर की गई थी.
प्रेयर थी. देयर इज नो
ऑर्डर. नो ऑर्डर.
ECP has not passed any order.
No order. order. ठीक है ना
यही
सर?
push.
सर, I'm sorry, I thought you were asking. I'm sorry, मैं पूरा सवाल आपका नहीं सुना था. I'm sorry, sir. Sir, may I read the question, sir? Questions. Whether the reserved seats for women and non-Muslims could be allocated to a political party which had not contested the elections on its party platform. In other words, under Articles 51, 6D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution, the foundational constitutional basis for the allocation of such reserved seats was the total number of general seats of a parliamentary political party in the election and not the contestation or votes obtained in the election. This is my principal argument before your lordship, which I will explain. Number two, whether the election program dated 15/12/2023 issued in pursuant to Section 104, Election Act 2017 and Rules 92-93, Election Rules 2017 did not apply to a parliamentary political party which did not contest the elections. In other words, the aforementioned sections 104 and Rule 92-93 require a different election schedule for a parliamentary political party which only secured general seats on the basis of independents joining it after the elections. Any other interpretation of independents joining it after the any other interpretation of the aforementioned section 104 and rules 92-93 would render such provisions in conflict with Article 51, 6D, E, D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution.
Okay, I just want to interrupt for a second.
Yes.
You were asked just now whether any order has been passed in the petitions or the applications filed by the other parties with respect to the seats, reserved seats,
Yes.
and you said no order has been passed.
No order has
But
been.
they were heard along
No,
with
no, no.
this.
There is an
Recalling
the
order.
independents.
They have allowed their petitions. They have said that they are partially allowed. They have allowed it, so they have passed an order.
No, I'm saying they've not passed any order on the prayer that the independents joining the petitioners should be recalled. They've not passed any order. That was also specific prayer.
तो उसके बाद ही उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी डिक्लेयर किया ना नोटिफिकेशन में उनको
जी
एसआईसी को तो बाद में तो एलोकेट कर
जी
दिया
उससे पहले भी डिक्लेयर किया था उसके बाद भी डिक्लेयर
ऑर्डर में ये नहीं है कि द इंडिपेंडेंट्स कैन नॉट ज्वाइन और कुड नॉट
जी
ज्वाइन
नहीं है
एसआईसी
नहीं सी
ऐसा नहीं है ऑर्डर में उनकी
है।
प्रेयर हो सकती है बट देयर इज नो
ऑर्डर में नहीं है। जी जी बिल्कुल सही बिल्कुल सही। Number 3, whether any political party could be allocated reserved seats disproportionate to their representation based on the total number of general seats secured by them. Number 4, whether there is constitutional absence or silence about a situation in which there are leftover reserved seats which cannot be allocated to any party either because of disentitlement or disproportionality. If so, how can this be resolved? So these are the...
Can I just ask a few clarifications?
Ji.
In one, you mentioned parliamentary political party. In two, you mentioned parliamentary political party.
Yes.
In three, you mentioned political party. And in four, you mentioned party. Is there a distinction between the three terms or not?
Sir, in Article 63A, a distinction is made between parliamentary party and political party. So, any political party can have a parliamentary political party, and a parliamentary political party would necessarily be a political party, but you could have a situation where because a political party does not contest the election, there is no parliamentary party of that.
Does the Constitution distinguish the two terms?
Yes,
Can
in
you
one of the
can you
provisions,
refer to that
63A, sir.
So I know why you use two
Yes.
terms differently.
Yes, because
Can you, no, because is not. Let's read the Constitution. There is no
63A, sir.
because.
Raji,
Gee. Which provision is this?
63A.
It uses the term parliamentary party.
Ji, ji.
It doesn't use the word parliamentary political party. So I just want, in a court of law, we have to be very precise.
ठीक है,
So please, should I delete the word political
जी
party?
आप कर दें, बिल्कुल
No,
बिल्कुल
no, you say it, I'll delete it.
जी जी आप कर दें, मतलब
Okay.
this is
So
only
there
for
is no term parliamentary political party in the constitution.
जी जी जी
Okay, now we have parliamentary party and political party.
जी
And please refer to the two terms where they've been used in the
yes,
constitution.
63
ठीक?
A
This is parliamentary party.
जी disqualification on ground of defection etc. If a member of a parliamentary party
What does this mean, parliamentary party,
A parliamentary-
as opposed to a political party?
you can have a political party which has no seats in parliament, then they will not have a parliamentary party.
So you are a political party and not a parliamentary party.
I am both a political party and a parliamentary party.
Now you may have become one,
Ji.
but you were never that before, correct?
I cannot say about previous elections, but
No,
we did
right.
not.
लेकिन
you
जब after the
became the
elections,
parliamentary party.
8th of February को आप क्या थे?
At 8th of February, I was a political party. When the independents joined, I became a parliamentary party also.
So only when the independent
Yes,
joined,
yes.
you became a parliamentary
Yeah,
party?
yes, yes.
Okay. Now who's your parliamentary head, which refers to an explanation? Who's your head?
Parliamentary party head.
जी
Don't ask. This should be a matter of law.
सर वो आपको बता देते
नहीं बताना होगा ना अभी.
सर अभी बता देता हूँ I'll just
Because
tell
a lot will flow from that.
I don't
consequence.
think a lot will flow from that, but I'll tell your lordship that.
No, because tomorrow the PTI and you, your head, may be at odds.
Yes, but I don't think
Oh,
anything will flow from that in terms of the question before your lordship. It's not relevant, but I'll tell your lordship the
You
answer.
don't know the head of your own political
No,
party.
my lord, I don't have the name right now.
You are a petitioner.
No,
Sir, I don't have all the information at my fingertips, but I'll inform your lordship.
पार्लियामेंट्री हेड असेंबली में कौन है वो पूछ
सर वो अभी
नाम आपके पटिशन में लिखा है
आसान
ना
है बताना।
साहबजादा
petitioner जो है साहबजादा वो head of the
सर वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हेड हैं जी 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 नॉट द पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी
अच्छा, इनका क्या कोई इलेक्शन होता है? पार्लियामेंट्री हेड का क्या प्रोसीजर होता है? हाउ डू यू डिटर्मिन इन अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हु इज अ पार्लियामेंट्री हेड?
I think
Party
there's-
head, how do you
sir,
do it?
I think there's an internal election.
Do you have to notify? Does it go to ECP?
Sir, I don't have that the
You have
answer
to
to that.
inform the speaker. What do you do?
You of course inform the speaker, sir, but I can look into those questions because they were not relevant to the issue before. That is why I didn't prepare on that, sir.
Don't tell us what's relevant.
No, I'm saying it's simply giving my explanation, sir. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि relevant नहीं होंगे. मेरा ये ख्याल था. That is why I didn't get this information.
अच्छा, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
जी
पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में? ये तो आपने
Political-
पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टीज का बताया हमें. दूसरा टर्म है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, उनका तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
सर आर्टिकल 17 में भी है और
63A में भी है
63A में भी है पार्टी हेड.
पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी लिखा हुआ है इसमें।